Welcome to Granite Transformations. I'm Steve, the director. Today we're inside our Bury St Edmunds showroom inside Glasswells. At Granite Transformations we specialise in kitchens, bathrooms and bedrooms, where we do the overlay worktops. They come in a number of colours and styles and finishes, and we do door replacements, and then also new kitchens where we do the 3D design to specific measurements and designs that you want. The worktops that we offer are heat, scratch and stain resistant. They are 8mm thick and go over an existing worktop, which makes them a lot more impact resistant as well. They come in, to say, very difficult to chip and to damage, so they're a lot stronger. You can cut directly on the worktop, hot pans from your oven, from your hob. With door replacements, the doors that we have are made to measure, so it doesn't matter the size of your existing doors. We take the doors, panels, cornices, pelmets, plinths, do a full, complete change in the colour and the style that you're after. There's a large range of handles that are available as well. The new kitchens that we offer are also made to measure, so we can design kitchens slightly different. We have a large range of doors which are available from the door replacement, but we also have a lot of doors available for new kitchens in solid wood. Designed to your design, we help you do that, so we can show you what your kitchen's going to look like before it's finished. Coming to our showroom today, which is situated inside Glasswells, Bury St Edmunds, where you can see a number of our worktops on display. We have samples on the wall. We also have door samples that you can see, a number of handles. Whether you're planning to do a worktop makeover, a full makeover with doors and worktops, or a brand new kitchen, visit our showroom inside Glasswells or go to our website granitetransformations.co.uk and you can download a brochure or request a home visit.